Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this party look with the blue smoky eyes. If you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified. The small click makes a big difference for me. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. This is nothing but I tried with a different hairstyle. I used affordable product. You can alternate and use any product. I'm using a moisturizer to prepare my skin. This is a Himalaya Herbal Face Moisturizer. I'm applying all over the face and lightly giving a massage. The moisturizer's natural ingredient helps your skin being active all day. Aloe vera, a natural moisturizer, is known to improve your skin quality. The oils of almond and carrot seeds are known for their skin protection activity. Next, I'm using a Maybelline Face Studio Primer. I'm dotting where I tend to get oily soon. I simply love this primer as it smoothens fine lines. This is lightweight, primes my skin for a smooth start. The advantage of this primer is it suits all skin type including sensitive skin. I would highly recommend if you're planning to buy a budget product. Next, I'm using a Nykaa concealer palette. I'm taking orange corrector around my mouth and where I have dark spots. I'm really impressed with the creaminess of this palette. It smooths and blends easily. This has an orange corrector and medium to dark shade concealer. You can buy this for a personal use with a budget. I'm using a concealer in my shade to cover all the corrected area. I'm using the same concealer to cover my dark circles. Blending it with a blender, and this also helps to remove the excess product. Now I'm slightly setting the concealed area with the loose powder. I prefer using a brush to apply powder as this don't take excess product. Today I'm using a Wet n Wild Photopocus foundation. I'm dotting all over the face. You can alternate and use any product. I'm using a blender to blend this foundation. This foundation gives medium to full coverage, better for normal to oily skin. Dry skin people can also use, but use a really good moisturizer. And I'm quickly highlighting the high points using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. highlighting my forehead, nose and above the lips, chin and under the eyes. I'm using the same blender to blend the highlighted areas. Now I'm setting it with the loose powder again with the brush. I'm using the Maybelline blush palette and taking a pink shade with a fluffy brush and applying it on cheek. I'm taking a small brush and using a sugar contour powder to contour my face. Contour can be used to people who are chubby to give a structure to their face. I'm using a Maybelline highlighter to highlight my cheekbone, nose, forehead. I'm applying it with finger to give a light shade. I'm using a brown gel eyeliner for eyebrows. I'm just giving a structure to my eyebrows by drawing a fine line. Next, I'm using a L'Oreal Kajal to tightline my below and upper waterline. Now let's start with the eye makeup. I'm taking a brown shade and creating a crease line. I'm blending it so well that there are no harsh lines seen. I'm giving a black shade for outer V and slowly blending it into crease area. Now I'm taking a blue shade with little glitter, which also matches my outfit, and creating a smoky look. Again blending all the colors with a fluffy brush. I'm again taking a black shade to intensify the color. I'm packing the product all over my eyelid and blending it with no harsh lines. Using the same shade, I'm smudging the lower lash line. I'm using a Maybelline waterproof mascara. Using a dark pink lip liner, drawing an outline and filling it with a pink lip color from Revelation Lip Palette. So this is a final look, a party makeover. You can create this look with the available product. I have used all the budget product today. Hope you all liked and found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Please do like and comment if any suggestion or a request. To subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Keep supporting.